pandas read _CSV skiprows, determine rows to skip. Below is a CSV snippet with some dummy headers while the actual frame anchored by Orient. This df equals pd.read _CSV path _CSV, header equals 8, code works, but the issue is that header is not always in 8 depending on the day. Cannot figure out how to use lambda from help as in. Skip rows, list-like or integer or callable, default none line numbers to skip, 0 indexed, or number of lines to skip, int, at the start of the file. If callable, the callable function will be evaluated against the row indices, returning true if the row should be skipped and false otherwise. An example of a valid callable argument would be lambda x in 0, 2. To find the index row of Orient.
I think need pre-processing first.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.